Welcome to this masterpiece 5-bedroom mansion located in Muguda, Ruiru. It's a 5-bedroom plus a DSQ plus a family room plus a gazebo, all in 50 by 100 plot size of land. This one is your parking space, your green space, and over there, that one is your DSQ, as you can see, and this one is the facade of the house. Now we can proceed to view the interior of the house. The entry porch that welcomes you to the living room, like that. Spacious enough. I love the lighting aspect of this house. Your dining area space, your open kitchen plan that shall be fitted with fixed kitchen appliances. On the other end, the pantry. That's the door that leads to the pantry. Okay. So now we can proceed to the first bedroom. The first bedroom is right here. Okay, this is the first bedroom. All of the bedrooms are ensuite. Yes, all of them are ensuite. Okay. Yes, this is the staircase that leads to the second level of the house. Yes, you have been provided with a shoe rack. This is the second bedroom. Your common washroom. Third bedroom. That's bedroom number 3. We can proceed the second level of the house. Have a look at this chandelier and the snake light. This is the family room. Okay, that's bedroom number 4. This one, and finally, we have the primary bedroom right here. The washroom that we shall be provided the jacuzzi, walk-in closet. Actually, not a closet, a walk-in closet. This is just a closet. You have plenty of natural lighting right here. I love the setup. Study table. This is the bed area of your bedroom. Also, you have a big window panes with a floor to ceiling, sliding doors. The balcony. Love it. You love it. So we can see the rooftop space of this magnificent 5-bedroom house. Your outside kitchen area. I have something here like a gazebo. Let's have a look at this. The gazebo. On the other end, you have been provided the balcony. Nice. So for 25 million Kenya shillings, you're going to acquire this property in Ruiru. Thank you so much, and God bless you.